What's up everyone, Greg's Gauntlet here, and the wait is finally over. We have the 10.5-inch iPad Pro here to unbox today, and I am loving this box art right off the bat. It looks really good. Has the full, 10.5-inch iPad Pro right on the front of the box. Apple's done these designs in the past before where they actually give you the full size of the product, nothing else, you just see the product. A very clean Apple box design. Of course, we have the 256 gigabyte version right here. And yeah, let's just get right into it. Let's start peeling this thing open. So we're gonna peel this open. It's got this little cellophane wrap on the side over here. And you can already see as we're peeling away the cellophane wrap, some of the smudges and scratch marks that, when it's shipping, that appears on the cellophane wrap is gone. Very clean box, very nice looking. So let's go ahead and open it. Let's see what's inside. Come on. These are always a little hard to get open. There we go. Ooh, product right up front. We have the 10.5-inch iPad Pro in white and silver. It looks very nice. Very nice size. A little bigger than the 9.7-inch. I think it has 20% bigger screen area, but you can kind of see these bezels are reduced. So let's go ahead and see. Got it out. Let's put this aside for now because this is the most exciting part. Let's just get this other stuff out of the way. We have the white standard lightning charging cable that comes with every Apple product that is mobile. We got some product packaging here, how to kind of set up your new iPad Pro. Just some little helpful cards if you've never set up an iOS device before. They're kind of highlighting their tips app and stuff like that. And we'll just toss this to the side. Of course, you have your standard 12-watt power brick that comes with the full-size iPads. It's not that fast at charging the 12.9. It'll be interesting to see if it charges the 10.5-inch iPad faster. Okay, let's get back to the main attraction here, the 10.5-inch iPad Pro. Let's go ahead and peel away this plastic. It always makes a satisfying sound. I do love that sound of peeling away the plastic. Very satisfying. Okay, wow. So as you can see, it has a, almost edge-to-edge screen, a very minimal bezel on the sides, kind of very similar to the iPad mini. Very, very, very big screen ratio on the thing. You got the camera, you got the home button, you have these side buttons over here for the volume. Of course, we have a camera on the back. It is the same camera found on the iPhone 7, so that's very nice. iPad logo, Apple logo, smart connector on the side over here, so you can connect your keyboard. Yeah, looks very nice. Very nice package. You got the two speakers on the bottom here with the lightning port. And of course, if you flip it over, you have the two speakers on the top. It has 4 speakers. The 12.9-inch iPad Pro sounds really good, so it'll be interesting to see if the 10.5-inch can pack that same sound in the smaller body. So let's go ahead and just start this thing up. Okay, and after doing all that fun password entering and setting things up, we are finally here in the iPad home screen. So as you can see, this is running iOS 10. And we can increase the brightness over here because Apple says these new iPads get pretty bright, and yeah, they do get pretty bright. That is a very bright screen. Let's go ahead and try scrolling because Apple has this new 120 Hz refresh rate, which they're calling a ProMotion display. Oh yeah, it's very smooth. So basically, you're not going to be able to see this on video because you would need a 120 frames per second video to kind of show you this. But the screen does have a 120 Hz refresh rate, and basically that just makes scrolling the display very, very smooth. It's very interesting. It's kind of like seeing Retina for the first time. It's going to be hard for people to go back to 60 Hz displays. So as you can see, I loaded up the Verge homepage over here. Let's go ahead and lower the brightness a little bit. It's just a very nice looking display. Obviously, it has all the latest screen technology. It has the True Tone display, very smooth scrolling. Let's go ahead and open up YouTube and kind of look at a video. Let's go ahead and open up my channel over here. So one of the cool things about this Apple ProMotion display is that it's not going to be 120 Hz when you go to watch like a video or something. It actually adjusts to the content. So I shot this video here at 30 frames per second, so the display is actually only going to display this at 30 Hz. That'll help save battery life, and then if you're watching a video, it's going to keep it true to what was intended to be viewed for the motion. So I went ahead and grabbed the 10.5-inch smart keyboard that I already did a video on, but let's go ahead and connect it to the smart connector over here. And as you can see, you have a nice full-size keyboard for your 10.5-inch iPad Pro. It is kind of full-size on the keycaps. Again, I would just say that the edge keys are smaller than on the 12.9-inch keyboard. Let's go ahead and do a quick typing test. Yeah, very nice keyboard. It's, you know, very easy to hit the keys, especially compared to the 9.7 inch if you've ever seen that one. It is a very cramped keyboard. This one is less cramped. Again, not as full size as the 12.9 inch smart keyboard, but definitely an improvement. And the main reason I love the 10.5 inch smart keyboard is, of course, that it's very lightweight, very easy to fold and cover your iPad and just take with you. So as you can see, I also have a 12.9 inch iPad Pro, and I'm stacking the 10.5 inch iPad Pro on top of it, so you can see just how much of a size difference the 12.9 is from the 10.5. I think the 10.5 is going to be the tablet for most people, but if you do need that extra screen real estate and don't mind carrying around added bulk, you do have the option for the 12.9 inch iPad Pro. So there you have it, everyone. That is the 10.5 inch iPad Pro. At first glance, it looks like a really awesome device. I love the display. I think the 10.5 inch screen size is going to be a great form factor. So if you liked the video, make sure you give me a like. And if you want to see more, including my full review and more videos, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.